let's start with baking soda. When baking soda is added to water, it completely dissolves in water. When salt is added in water, it also dissolves completely in water. When mud or sand is added into water, it does not dissolve in water. When oil is added to water, it floats but doesn't dissolve. When few drops of ink is added into water, it dissolves in water and changes the water color into blue. I hope you understood this experiment. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle.